Yes. Well, I just got this video camera a few days ago because I've got some work to do that involves taking videos. And we just got our 100-year flood for the second time in a decade. It's a little deep. It's been raining for about a day and a half straight, but the water has been evacuating just fine until all of a sudden overnight. This is what I woke up to. And we had to very quickly disassemble the computer. A bunch of my neighbors came over and helped me move the UPS upstairs, which is what I wanted to do when I moved in, just in case this happened again, because I heard about this flood that came through here a long time ago, maybe like 10 years ago or so. Just in case, I want the UPS upstairs. Well, I just got my wish. The UPS is now upstairs. I don't think it got wet on the inside. Just the casters got wet. Computer did not get wet. Everything's upstairs that's of any electronic value. So I'm okay. Just a bad day for it, since I've got problems in Miami that I was going to take care of at 8 o'clock. And we had to start disassembling everything at 7 o'clock. Well, anyway, this is the street out front. And this is the basketball court. One of those very rare moments when nobody is playing basketball. We are probably thinking about opening our swimming pool soon.
Lalayo sa amin. Ayaw ko malamig.
This is one of my pedicabs. Obviously, it's not going to be making much money today.
Ekembot mo, ekembot mo, ekembot mo. Ekembot mo, ekembot mo.
Here's the store. If it's not underwater. Usually there's excuse me, usually there's kids playing games out here. Especially since we have one of the brightest lights under a roof. We just installed this about a month ago. We're in blackout right now, so it's going to be kind of hard to show you what's going on inside, but I'll try. See how well this camera works in low light. There's my bike.
Eh kasi ano yung kasunod siya nagkukat na GMA? Sabi ko lubot sa iya. Ano na lang sinagawa mo ako ng ano?
I can't see a thing in here. Who's got the light?
Patawa ko yan, sabi niya kadikit lang sa naman. Sabi ko tayo mo ako yan, basta ka na silay ko. Hindi ka sasabi. Sain. Dumansa ko.
Here we go.
Bako man ako bimbim. Ano man yun?
Alright. And we got water inside. Say hello, honey.
I don't like. I'm shy.
Dadawagin sa honor video.
Tess was in Nago for the weekend, just came home to this. How high was the weather when you were walking home?
Yeah, it's until here.
Up to your knees?
Yeah, until here. And it goes up until here.
Okay. It's gotten a lot deeper now. There's Kimbo. Say hi.
Hi.
Having fun today?
What?
Are you having fun today?
No.
No. Would you rather be in school? No. Bim Bim? Say hello. And here's my computer desk. What's left of the computer anyway. Everything's upstairs.
Oh, show Tintin. Bing, look at the camera.
Oh, she's here.
Tintin is here, oh. She missed me a lot because I was away for 2 days. Oh. Oh. Bing, oh, look at the camera, Bing. Look at the camera from there, oh.
Hi, Tim. So anyway, now we're at low tide, so the water may go up again, even though the rain has subsided dramatically, but it's still raining. There's a lot of water. In this area, it's about 3-4 inches. See my feet? Just a little bit of the refrigerator got underwater. I was surprised that the one out in the store did not get underwater because it's on a platform that's actually high enough right now. This is the CR, otherwise known as the comfort room. In England it would be a water closet. In the United States it's the restroom. This was actually the first room to flood because it's actually designed to flood. But as you can see, the water is quite deep. And this is the back door to the dirty kitchen and laundry area. The dirty kitchen is actually kind of a cool idea. This is where actually most of the cooking is done. Because that way the heat and odors from cooking don't stay in the house. But it's quite wet in here right now with the flood. So these are laundry racks. Over there is where they do the laundry. Looks like that box got a little wet. So we got a lot of things to go through and figure out what we're going to throw away. Usually that door slams behind me, but it had a lot of water to shove out of the way. This is a bike I just bought for Tess a couple of days ago. And it's underwater in here. Really good. Nice little bike. It's a folding bike. Not that we have a trunk to put it in. So here we go. Got the only electricity in the house. Windows cell phone. Who are you texting now? Oh, we're selling a load. Selling a load. I didn't expect the store to be open today.
Uy, sabi mo daw, igbigat na namin ilaw. Sayang, namin sa luwas.
Looks like the water did get to the bottom of the refrigerator out here.
Maliwanag mo sa luwas.
I'm just kind of curious to see if any of the school supplies got wet. It doesn't look like it. They're all on these shelves. Even the bottom shelf over there did not get wet. So hopefully the water does not come up anymore. It would be nice if it went down now. So, here's our flood. Yep, they're back to playing basketball.